where it gets muddy. This is the time of year where everything is a lake. Whoa! Including this one. I don't know if I want to go through that. That might be a little deeper than it looks, and I do not have my mud tires. Yeah, we're not going there. Testing 1 2 1 2. Grounds control to Major Oz. I think this is working. Well, motorcycle season is definitely over now, because this is Canada, man. And doesn't take long. We don't have enough for quite the snowmobile just yet. We are very far from that, but this is where I love my ATV. It's the perfect freaking toy that I have in between putting that away and taking that out. Okay, so today's little mission, I've got a new toy. This is a GoPro 12. So here's the catch, guys. I'm gonna freeze if I take this off, and I mean freeze. So that's not happening. So then it dawned on me, well, if I got another one up front, you guys can get the spectacular unobstructed view, and I can still pilot this thing and talk to you guys, and then later combine the footage. Let's get this thing going. Okay, let this warm up. And then I am going to go lock everything up and we can get going. So today we're going to go test out a lot of firsts. First GoPros in the snow. Batteries in the cold is my real concern. Never flown the drone in the cold. About to find out. Whoa, I should probably put on my Cat 4x4. Yeah. Whew. That caught me a little off guard. Welcome to my Canadian Winter Wonderland. And it's only the beginning of December. So unfortunately, I looked at the forecast. And it's going up to... So right now, it's a -10. That's a bombing 14 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's going up to, well, over freezing. So it's going to rain on Saturday. So all of this is just going to disappear. So I'm just going to take this day off to test my gear, because what I want to bring you guys is my snowmobile adventures. It's all great, the ATV in the snow, but it's not a snowmobile. Snowmobiles are really, really cool. The big difference is this thing I don't trust in the snow. I wouldn't want to do more than 50-60 k's an hour with this. I don't trust it. Snowmobile? Ha! Yeah, I can go way more than that. Oh, wow. Look at it. So what happened here is we ended up having some freezing rain. It coated the trees, and then we ended up getting a dumping of snow on top of it. So right now we've got this OMG, look at this place. Wow, right? And now we're testing the new microphone. I forgot all about that. Wow, look how gorgeous. OMG. Look at this. Well, of course, another ATV. I don't blame you, buddy. This is a side-by-side. Just gave him a sign, there's no one behind me. This means no one behind me. We do this more in snowmobiles. This is gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. Oh, I don't know about these snowflakes and what they're doing to the lens. I'm actually gonna pull over down here. Let's send Damien on his first snow adventure. Are we connected or what? Oh, it's still figuring it out, eh? All right, there we go. Whew. Let's start recording. We are recording. All right, ready, buddy? Go take a look at what's going on up there.
is like a memory that I can't let go. I still see your face and I try to retrace in the blowing snow. And I tried, yes I tried to let it know. And I tried, yes I tried to let it go. Then your bitter glance, I was wrong, so wrong. Though I tried to persist, you still would resist. Now you're gone, you're gone. Yes, I tried to let it know. Yes, I tried to let it go.
Cool, this time I was quicker. Bunch of technical difficulties going on here, so I'm going to put this back in this little case. This is rolling. Yes. Hello. Alright, you're rolling, yes. Okay, we're going to head a little deeper down into the forest. Rock and roll. Let's go. Okay. Woo. So that's pretty cool. I just the drone doesn't seem. I've got about 20 minutes left on that one battery, so I'd say I was flying for 12, 13 minutes. That's not bad. And it is, well, it's gone up a few degrees, but it's cold out. Yeah. This is a shared trail, which means my ATV is allowed. Oh, look at this gorgeousness. Wow. Look at this idea. How beautiful is that? Yeah, those are ATV tracks. I'm gonna fly the drone here. Lots of space. Alright, we got Damien airborne. Come here, buddy. Right is left, left is right. Right, Right. Oop, look down. Thank you. Alright, man. You recording? No? Go do your thing. Oh, is that ever cool? Wow, flying a drone in Winter Wonderland. Holy crap, this is really cool footage. Man, I'm really glad I bought this thing. But I have to beware of the battery, because right now, as you can see, it's freezing. Birds of prey eyeing the drone. Birds of prey eyeing the drone. Come here, buddy. There you go. Welcome home. Brought some hot chocolate and some maple cookies, man. It doesn't get more Canadian than this, eh? Yeah, listen, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, the maple syrup thing. Stop kidding yourself, man. We rule. Yeah. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Stunning. Oh, let's go, man. Rock and roll. That would be the wrong way. Okay. Whew. Okay, well, I'm pretty happy with everything so far. I just got to get used to my gear. It's incredibly difficult for me to be flying the drone, checking all the cameras, driving the ATV. It's a bit much. I'll get better with it. Wow. But yeah, I don't want to be doing more than 40. Even in 4x4 right now, I'm sliding all over the place. There's a lot of trees to hit here. This is gorgeous. Wow. Ho, 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 see? This is why, even in 4x4, ATVs, man, are not snow friendly. That was 40 k's an hour. But my snowmobile would have never done that. Okay, now I'm gonna test this with my visor closed. And yeah, I was fearing this actually. Oh wow, this is bad. So I'm fogging up. Okay, yeah. So that's going to be a problem because I can't talk to you guys with the snorkel on, because I sound like I'm at the bottom of Oscar the Grouch's garbage can. But I just put the visor down, and guess what? I started fogging up so bad I couldn't see a thing within about 8-9 seconds. So that's a problem. So I can only talk to you guys as long as the visor is open. Maybe halfway. Oh, there we go. So this, oh, well, the visor's halfway right now. Oh yeah, okay. The visor's halfway right now. I could deal with this. My face isn't particularly overly cold. Yeah, this works. Okay. I can deal with this. And plus, I mean, look, what I'll be doing too is I'll do my footage where I'm talking to you guys, and then after that I can, like, you know, take the microphone off and use the snorkel for a bit. There we go. Oh, this is so gorgeous, eh? My goodness. ATVing a winter wonderland. But it looks like I will be able to take you guys on my snowmobile adventures, because that is really what I want to do. That's my happy place. It's only a few weeks out of the, well, man, we're lucky to get 3 months of snow. No, that doesn't happen. Try about 8 weeks. And then after that there, it gets pretty grungy. Yeah, no, I'll be a good boy. I'm not supposed to go there with an ATV. That's a snowmobile trail down there. But I saw ATV tracks and thought I'd be an a-hole too. But no. It ruins the trails, guys. That's why it's snowmobiles and then ATV trails. And some are shared,